water. Hold on. I'm gonna take a picture. How did this happen? Wait, is it gonna rain for the entire run? I really thought. Wala na akong money. Wala na akong pera. Oh. Oh, how is it raining without scorched earth? It's raining when it's not scorched earth. Is this very rare or what? Is this rare or what? Hold on, I'll ask Google. Hold on. How rare is it to rain in dead rails? Saglit. Oh my. Liana, it said has a 10% chance of occurring during gameplay. 10% chance. Yeah. Well, how do they know if it hasn't happened? So maybe we're the second one. This is amazing. Move the train line. I'm gonna lag it. No, you drive because I'm gonna make this newspaper lag. This is very rare. Liana, come back down. Liana, stop! Stop the train! I lagged! Why did you keep moving it? Don't stop! I lagged! I lagged. I am still covered in water. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Duh, 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 duh. That's it. I'm just gonna drop my mic. Wait. Drag me up. Drag me up. Where did I go? Neptune the